Okay, so I was given the question, find all the real zeros for g of x equals 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 10x plus 3. And it says begin by using the rational zeros theorem in synthetic division. So the first thing that we're going to do is use the rational zeros theorem, which is taking all the factors of 3 over all the factors of 4. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3, and the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. So that means, which that could be plus or minus, so that means that all the possible zeros are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 3, 3 over 2, or 3 over 4. So let's just make it easy and start with 1. We're going to use synthetic division to try and figure out what all the zeros really are. So we'll start with 1 in the box, and the coefficients following x cubed is 4, and x squared is negative 9, x is negative 10, and the coefficient is 3. So you bring down the 4 because that's the one we start with. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. Negative 15 times 1 is negative 15 again. And 3 plus a negative 15 is negative 12. And we're supposed to get 0 at the end, so that one doesn't work. So let's move on to negative 1 because I don't want to go into fractions. So we'll use the same coefficients: 4, negative 9, negative 10, and 3. Bring the 4 down. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 9 plus negative 4 is negative 13. Negative 13 times negative 1 is 13. Negative 10 plus 13 is 3. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And 3 plus a negative 3 is 0. So that one works. So the new equation that we have, so x plus 1 is a factor of 4x cubed minus 9x squared minus 10x plus 3. We have two other factors to find, and we found that 4x squared minus 13x plus 3 is also a factor, but we can also factor that down more into 4x on one side, x on the other. 3 times 4 is going to be 12, and then 1 to add to that is going to be 13. They're both going to be negative to make a negative 13, and a negative times a negative is a positive. So the other zeros that we have are 4x minus 1 equals 0, plus 1, 4x equals 1 over 4. So x equals 1 over 4 is one of the zeros. And then x minus 3 equals 0, plus 3, plus 3. X equals 3 is also 0.